Hello there and welcome back to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Thank you for tuning in, and just before I dive into today's video, if you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button. Now if you're into your circus skills, do check out my channel. I've got a lot of videos covering circus skills, from ball juggling to scarf juggling, plate spinning. There's even a video on some basic flower stick tricks. Just get that out in time. And I've got a number of sort of interesting media clips that sort of tie in loosely with circus skills. On top of that, I've got quite a few magic videos demonstrating different magic tricks, and also a ton of balloon modelling videos. So if you're into any of those, check my channel out. As I say, smash that subscribe button, and I'm sure you'll find something there that will be that you'll like, that you'll get something out of. Now today what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a trick that's called the shuffle, and by its very name, it's like shuffling a pack of cards, except you've got 3 juggling balls, and this is what it looks like. So right, I would break this trick down into three kind of 4 stages. So to get started, I would just start with 1 ball. And what you're going to do is you're going to just practice this throw. So I'm right-handed, and you're just going to lift it up to just above shoulder height, or around shoulder height, and you're just going to sort of really slap it into your left hand, and your left hand is just going to be around your waist. And you want to be able to do that without thinking about it. So that's kind of the first skill that you need to be able to do this trick successfully. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to do a half ball shower, and with your left hand you're going to do 4 throws. So what I mean, they're going to be about 6 to 8 inches above your head at their very peak, and you're going to do a nice little 2 throws, so it's going to come around your sort of chest height, maybe just a touch higher than your chest. And you want to be able to do this, and you want to be able to do this about 100 times. Now, if you think you need sort of a reminder on the half shower, there'll be a link above my head popping up any moment now. Click on that. I think also I cover the shower in that video too, which is a related trick. And this is what your half shower will look like. So and the sort of final 2 parts to learning the shuffle. Now, I showed you a clip right at the beginning of me doing the shuffle, and I think I did about half a dozen shuffle passes. And it's a really nice looking trick when you get it down quite smooth. But obviously it takes a bit of time and a bit of practice to get there. So I think when I was learning the shuffle, I just tried to get one sort of really quick sort of shuffle throw in, and then just just sort of continue on with a 3-ball cascade. And then when I was ready, I'd try for another sort of shuffle throw. I'll show you what I mean. So that's what you want to do to start with, and you'll sort of build up the muscle memory, and then when you're ready, you want to go in and try and do as many as you possibly can. It's the kind of trick that once you've got it, it doesn't take a lot of practice to pick it up again. But to do it really smoothly and nicely, it does take a bit of practice and sort of frequently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the clip of the shuffle again, but I'm going to show you in slow motion, especially so you can see when the ball comes over from the left hand and as it's just falling off its feet, you'll see the shuffle pass coming in over the top of this ball, not underneath, it's over the top. So I hope that video has helped you. I hope you got something out of this. If you enjoyed it, you know what I'm going to say, because this is social media after all. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the like, the little thumbs up as well. That makes a huge difference with the algorithm. And if you've got any questions or you'd like me to cover a certain 3-ball trick, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. But until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.